full disclosure, I was really not planning on rolling for Eula. And then I saw the damage she does. Let's just say that on that day, esports dick beat waifu dick. Only Amber in my party to roll for Eula. Okay, is that the strat? All right, we're gonna do the strat. Okay. Do you all have this problem too, where you click friends instead of party setup and then party setup instead of friends? Like, I'm always getting those two mixed up for some reason. Remove. Okay, we got only Amber. We're here at the Eulamber spot, and Amber's the only person in my party. And if Eula doesn't come home in 40 rolls, we give up. That's the plan. Because I'm 45. I'm 45 into pity. Eula doesn't come home in 40 rolls, then I'm saving hard pity for Kazuha. Pray. Okay, we're going to do it. Okay. Gold. No such luck. Oh, Badoo. Do I have a C6 already? I feel like I have a C6 Badoo. Oh, all right. That's very offensive because I'm pretty sure I have a C6 Badoo. Oh, I don't know. Did I make the Liga pronunciation guide? I don't know. I think that's some rando. All right, here's our second 10 roll. Gold. Damn, screw you. Skip. Okay, third 10 roll. I don't think Eula's coming home, y'all. Okay, you know what? Maybe it's time for single rolls, right? Because we're at 75. We're at 75. We'll count up. Maybe I'll count up until 79. Wait, no, 89? Because hard pity is 90, right? Okay, we're at 75. We're at 75. Okay, 76. Okay, come on. Oh my god! Whoa! We did it, fam! Thank you for holding my hand through that experience. I can't believe that was number 76 exactly. What? That was my first time I've ever done. I don't usually single roll. That was my first time doing like a single roll and getting, I can't believe. Yes! No, that wasn't cheap. It was 76 rolls. That's not cheap, but I'm still like, yeah! My hands are legit going numb from the sheer like adrenaline. I'm losing it. Yo, we got the end user license agreement. Indeed. Streamer luck. Maybe it is. Maybe we should only pull on stream. Maybe that's the lesson here. Yo, I didn't prepare for her at all. I can't even test run her. Oh my god, I can't believe we got Eula. Oh, look at you. Oh, she's so pretty. Hold on. Am I allowed to just look at the look at you? I'm trying to zoom into her thighs, but they aren't letting me. Yo, her clothes do look really uncomfortable. Like this boob strap. This boob strap looks like it would hurt. And the halter. Yo, I would never want to cosplay. What? That is so bare. And that plunge is a little bit deeper. And then this little like thing over here that's like, awooga. All right, well, you know what? I still haven't watched the goddamn like promo video, so maybe I'm gonna watch that with y'all real quick. Okay, hold on. Is this it?
Dance of Sacrifice, Act 3. Flickering candlelight.
Oh shit, I love her voice. Oh my god. Oh my god, wait, she looks so graceful. Oh, who animated this? Put them in jail. Oh my gosh, she looks so great. I'm literally tearing up. Her movements are so graceful.
Now it's just a private pastime.
I'm legit going to cry. I'm speechless. Are these thirsty tears? I don't know.
As a descendant of a fallen ancestry.
Oh no, I have to fight this cryo cube now. Oh my god, the little hip movement just now. Did you say that? Ah! Fuck.
Are you here to spy on me?
Fuck!
No, I was just worried you might be in trouble.
I'm crying.
It takes two to tango.
It takes two to tango. Shall we? Tag yourself, I'm Amber. I'm losing it. Wait, do you think they have the Japanese Oh my god, my hands are still kind of like shaking and like buzzy. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Wait, no, no, oh my god, it's Misa Kamikoto! Ah! Fuck. No. No. I'm in crisis. It's bitty bitty. I'm sweating. Help! I'm dying. Oh, she sounds so cool. Oh. Okay, Chinese demo. Okay, go.
祭礼之舞第3幕，闪灼的烛光。
Oh, she's softer.
如今只功得自赏消遣。
For once, the Chinese voice is my least favorite. I mean, I still like it, but it's rarely is it my least preferred option.
军兵断绝深仇。
你howdy. 破碎。还想偷看到什么时候？
那就与罪人共舞一曲。
与罪人共舞一曲，如何？ I would 偷看 forever. You're right. What Karen said. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot the uwu voice. Okay, I'm gonna set a timer now. It's 3 minutes now. URABoobies one more time. Give chat a good look. Okay, come look at the URABooby. Boobla. Okay, look at Boobla. Oh, look at Eula fix her hair. Oh, she's so pretty. We like it. We like the thigh squish. Oh, whoa. The strap thick thighs save lives. I'm sorry. I have to do the boob comparison. It's for science. Do they actually change the boob size? Hold up. This is Yua. Wisa? Wait, no. We got some more prominence on Wisa. Wisa a little perkier. Wait, I never even noticed how big Beito Booba was. I feel like not so much on Yingguang, like slightly more self-contained Booba on Yingguang. Rosaria Booba about the same as Yingguang Booba. Okay, wanking the Booba. Oh no, wanking the. Wait, no, the timer's up. Thank God. Okay, ranking the Boobas. I was like, oh man, wanking the boobas is not, I don't want to say that. No, thank you. I'm good. We're good. Anyways, we're gonna rank the boobas. Okay, so my personal preference, no bias at all. I'm lying. There's lots of bias. Okay, so here's my ranking. Lisa's number 1 because perky and well-formed. Second, I would say Eula, actually, because generally speaking, I prefer like the shape. Does that make sense? Third one, third place is Bidu because she has big booba, very gifted. This one, but it's like an overhang, like like weighty, you know. It looks kind of painful, seems kind of heavy, and so for the lack of perkiness, just been downgraded to the third. When you're a boob man, you have your personal preferences. So as a boob man myself, this is a 3rd place boob for me. Okay, and then going on, I would say Ningguang and also Rosaria are tied because they both have this like boob sock situation. Like it's like, what is that exactly? Ningguang at least has a bit of, you know, like patterns and stuff going on. Like one boob gets some gold, you know, and the other boob gets a swirly. But like this booba is sock. This is sock boob. Like a little bit of like, you know what these silvered lines remind me of? It's like when you buy like iron balcony planters. Only a vacuum pack would explain these sock boobs, because like that's not what boobs do unless you were to vacuum pack them. I guess Ningguang, you don't notice it as much. Yeah, you don't notice it on Ningguang as much. Like there's not really the deep like cleft, versus here you can super see from the side especially. Like, those are two individual boobas. Like, that boobas don't do that. I'm sorry to inform you, or sorry to disappoint, perhaps. Beidou has a pretty realistic one. Like, she's got the stretchy bit here, you know? Like, it should be flatter, but at least it's pretty realistic. Let's check Lisa real quick. Hold on. No particular reason. I just like looking at Lisa. Yes, yeah, this is fairly realistic, assuming there are like cups in there. I think that makes sense. Rank P, cool. Oh man, I need a tier list if I'm gonna be ranking butts too. Maybe I'll do that sometime. I'll do a Genshin butts tier list. I feel like they give you a harder time seeing the butts, right? Like, you can't just see it here. We're gonna go climbing. Give us the good view. We're getting a bit of that. Okay, hold on. I've never done this, I must admit. Despite claiming that I am as much a boobs man as I'm a butt man, I have not done the butt man creeping as much. Yo, I never thought. Oh shit! No, cover your eyes, children. No, this is not. No. I want to see it again. Who did this? Who did this? They're hiding it because you gotta work for the good stuff, okay? Wait, I also just realized that the like notches on the back of his like coat tails don't line up. They're like uneven. They were like, we need an element of asymmetry somewhere or we can't sleep at night. I can't believe I've never looked at that. Holy crap. Oh my God.